The notion of the as-built world has become critical today because industries can no longer afford to operate on assumptions or outdated plans. By focusing on the as-built world, organizations can gain the accuracy needed to manage today's complexity, unlock digital transformation, and ensure that every decision is grounded in reality. Because in complex facilities, every decision relies on trust in the data. A single version of the truth eliminates that uncertainty. It ensures that everyone, from the plant floor to the executive suite, is aligned on one consistent reality. The single version of the truth has to be anchored in reality itself. And the only way to do that is through reality capture. Reality capture provides the indisputable baseline, a living snapshot of what is actually there. Let's start with capture. Preview 3D provides the widest array of supported scanning and imaging technologies to feed into a consistent foundation. Terrestrial laser scanners for high-precision environments, drone LiDAR and photogrammetry for wide area coverage, 360 imagery and mobile scanning for fast and flexible site capture. No matter the input, our platform ingests it all. This is how we ensure that enterprises can generate and maintain a single version of the truth, grounded in reality from the very beginning. Next, managing reality. This is why we built Reality Platform. It's not just another 3D viewer. It's the foundation, a centralized environment where enterprises can ingest reality capture, CAD, imagery, and every other source of visual data. It's where you manage your sites, teams, and enterprise user-level access, ensuring that everyone works from one consistent baseline. We support a wide array of 3D scanning devices and have the fastest and best point cloud to mesh processing engine. Reality Platform is perfect to share with all employees and enable virtual site visits. Let's talk about the design process. While one version of the truth defines today, planning for tomorrow requires more. Upgrades, retrofits, and turnarounds demand a safe, dedicated environment for experimentation. This is where Reality Plan comes in, enabling you to test and validate change before breaking ground. From making sure your CAD models are up to date compared to the existing conditions, to creating new design layouts, validating if new equipment will fit and have the required clearance, to enabling remote stakeholders to participate in the design process. Let's move on how to operate. Capturing reality is at the core, to ensure your digital environment continuously mirrors the physical one. To keep it up to date, you need orchestration. That's the role of Reality Composer, keeping scans, models, and visual inputs synchronized with confidence and precision. The output of this process is your reality twin. Not a static model, but a living, accessible copy of your facilities. A visual hub that instantly connects engineering, operations, and maintenance data. This is your single visual point of access. A true single version of the truth that drives collaboration and decision-making. Finally, to connect. No ecosystem stands alone. That's why we created Reality Connect. It opens the door for seamless integration with third-party tools, CAD, BIM, simulation, ERP, MES, and more. Because the future of managing the built world isn't about silos. It's about connected systems, working together on top of a reality-based foundation. Together, this suite represents more than software. From supporting workflows in design, engineering, all the way to operations, it's the first true ecosystem for managing the as-built world. Preview 3D delivers a complete environment that acknowledges complexity and empowers organizations to operate with clarity, accuracy, and foresight. Start managing your as-built world using Preview 3D.